man. Fully active. You know, stay out, talk up TV, represent. You see me? Oh.
Oh, fine.
That's it. Love is you. Like, yeah, man, at Claremont. We are one part in Hanover. You see me? You don't know? Represent. Oh. Talk up TV, one with it everywhere. Done. Yes, man. Oxy Shana, Actor Lato, and Actor Nick. We're there. Fully covered. Lock them guys up. Man, you're out, man. Yeah,
me have all fans up and then me have place to sleep. Me now go back down. Not going down back. Mommy, me know sister said, grandma. She have to pay up on her phone. She said, grandma.
Yeah,
Grandma, see her there. Put me afraid to go to her.
Oh, but you're not afraid, Miracle. Me not rush here.
And Carl Africa said, see her let Africa. I chose to put myself in Africa said, see you down here, so.
yeah. Real man.
I know that somebody from here is
No silly clown on them.
Yeah.
You get a man.
We take picture for
Yeah, man.
Auntie the what did our auntie?
Yeah, Richie, my brother, Richie make you come.
Okay.
Richie make me come over here.
Okay. And my son up the southern go up the panel up there so.
Yeah, man.
His daughter there.
Nice. You have to feel fun.
Alright.
Hey, mommy, you don't know where you
So they can't tell you say no. Them cannot tell you say no, you know meet.
So can't talk to
Your
her
friend
now.
you've been watching all
Oh
along.
my God, me beat
Right?
I go put you up on the channel for your seat, man.
Now you're going to see yourself, say, alright?
Me don't know nothing.
You greet your famous movie star,
Yeah,
right?
man.
And my grandchildren, them.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
That's good, Granny.
on
That's
TV.
good.
I always see.
Grandma, me say grandma, me see her, grandma.
But Shayna, tell us if he Talk Up TV one channel, not fear channel, you know. It's Actress Shayna.
Actress Shayna TV.
Actress Shayna TV.
My channel. So
That's
me go
PR
post
channel.
a picture with me, are you? Over Actress Shayna TV.
So if you look over Talk Up TV, you're not going to see it. You go look it over Actress
On the
Shayna.
movie channel on my channel.
Alright, then we'll have a joyful afternoon.
Same
Yeah,
thing,
man.
auntie.
Me not say good, me say joyful.
Yeah,
Right,
we are
that is-
tour
that is
replace.
it.
We
That
don't even
is
ready
it.
for come down this yet. We are tour.
We not fi go up and kneel up there some man which pan the tank and something there.
Eh?
Yeah, one Me tell you.
Alright.
No, watch you, we don't know a place. We don't want to walk.
Alright, we're going up there. We're going up there.
Grandmother place and grandmother.
Alright.
Just go on.
Alright. Alright.
Tell us my grandfather place.
You know, what your grandmother name?
Grandfather place.
What is your grandmother name?
So you know say they hear the grandfather.
Yes, we did go. but what is your grandmother name?
Resistance.
I don't think it's that. Obviously, that is my home. It's my home. My grandmother name is Miss FC.
Grandfather Joe.
Grandfather Joe not dead in a plane accident, man. Your grandfather dead in a plane accident. Finish the man and then kill him for team come. After my grandfather get fed up and said that everything on pressure and dead.
Rian.